Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, it looks like Umakwela might be getting tired of the perception or the comments that the public has concerning the way her man treats her. She posted these two videos. I'm just gonna let them play and then I'll be back with the rest of the commentary.
And my man, thank you to my man.
Now, this is the second one that she put up, but obviously I put down the music because you know YouTube and its policies. But the first one, guys, you can see the caption says, which when you are obsessed with how or something or being obsessed with your man treating you like a princess, you guys. Girl is basically saying, or I feel like girl is basically saying, yes, ngiyamizwa ukuthi niyakhuluma ukuthi hey kodwa okusalayo indoda yami treats me like iqanda is treating me like a princess and I am obsessed with that and that's enough for me. And the second meme is more of yes, maybe she's not at a place where she can speak up about certain things because, I mean, the season has not finished. But listen, those facial expressions from that meme, I'm just like, it seems to describe her so well. Because so far from the episodes we've watched from Mutanda Nestembu, her facial expressions, guys, will give it off. Ngomlomo, she makes sure she's very or according to me, I feel like she's calculative with her words. She makes sure which she's not saying something disrespectful towards the other wives or whatever, but her facial expression says some other thing, especially that time when she was asking Musa, when Musa was saying, oh, it was that time where she could not come again now and she was asking Musa when is this all gonna end, and then Musa was like, no, fanele ulinde, because her face, that side eye that she gave Musa, guys, she just said okay to his explanation, but the side eye was just, it was giving something else. You could tell whatever was going through her mind. Shame girl. But anyway, girl, as long as he's treating you well and everything is going good, who are we? Because Tina, we're not in that relationship. You know what they say sometimes, guys? With yay, in daughter can date you and you will be saying with hey, he's trash, he's what. He goes to another woman and treats her completely different. But in this case, it's just kind of different because it's just like Musa he currently has 4 wives. 4 wives can't all be saying the same thing, and then when it comes to you, all of a sudden it's like different. Maybe because there's always a first time for everything, you guys. Maybe that's the case. Maybe ugali angithi ungene esazi ukuthi vele indoda yami ayinaso isikhathi. She is fine with, you know, seeing him for those few hours, seeing him for one day. Like, I guess to each their own, guys. But anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.